Baddie, baddie, she a baddie. A baddie, oh she a baddie, oh a baddie, yeah, a baddie, oh a baddie, yeah. baby.bomb.com. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I'll say this probably after every install, but like, okay, this is up here with the other ones because I really like this hair. I love how it just looks very scalp-like, very natural. So this is not the initial install. The video or the clips that you guys saw previously is actually from like a week, probably over a week old. So I just didn't like how the baby hairs and stuff were laying. Like, I didn't like how I did it because I feel like I rushed me doing the install because I had somewhere to go. I just did not like how it looked. It was super full, was not pre-plucked at all, wasn't like, it didn't give any type of scalp looking, nothing. Like, it was super full. Just reinstalled it today. I took some time to really go through and pluck it, part it, and do like everything that I wanted. So yeah, that's the only thing. So this is not the initial install. This is a second time installing. I will say I love how it looks now because it looks so natural. Definitely giving scalp on both sides. Love that. Let me go ahead and get into the details of the hair. All right, so as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. I have been wanting to work with Wiggins Hair for a minute. Like, I just love their units. I'm like super excited, super grateful for them to even be sending me this unit, and it literally is giving everything that I expected it to give. So shout out to them once again. Thank you so much. So they sent me over a 28-inch loose deep wave frontal wig, and it is, the hair density is 250, which I definitely feel like it is 250 because this hair is like super thick and full, which I love. I don't think they specified whether it was a 4x4 lace frontal or if it was a 6x6 lace frontal. When you see on the inside, it doesn't have a lot of parting space on the sides, which with this hair I really want to do a side part, but I couldn't do that because of how the lace was on the sides. But it is giving 6x6 here, just not here. So that's probably like one complaint. This frontal was super full. Like, it literally, like when you first, as soon as you see hair, it's so full. Like, it's not giving scalp at all. Like, it was not giving that at all. But as far as how the lace actually looks, I feel like it's pretty transparent. Let me get close up so you guys can see. I feel like it's pretty transparent. I feel like that part of the frontal was a 10 out of 10 for me. But yeah, so other than that, I love the hair, love the frontal. This is giving like beach vibes, like summertime, springtime type of hair. Like, I just love this texture. But yeah, y'all, so that is all that I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this install video. I hope that you guys plan on picking you up one of these bomb Wiggins hair units because I'm telling y'all, it's giving what it needs to give. Like, this unit is so bomb. Like, y'all need it. Y'all need it in y'all life. Like, period, point blank. And if you don't plan on picking up this unit, I'm gonna have the actual website linked in the description box, and I'll also have this unit linked in the description box as well, so you guys can pick it up if you decide to. But yeah, so that's all that I have for you today. Please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We just recently hit 4K subscribers, so your girl is hype, okay? So yes, thank you guys so much for everyone that has already subscribed, but if you haven't, go ahead, click it down below and subscribe. So yeah, that is all that I have. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.